I forgot all about tomorrow being Father's Day, but I should have remembered since today's Daddy's birthday. It's always close around his birthday.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she said, can y'all come get me? And my mind just started racing. Where in the world is she? Is she at work today? What, is her car not working again?
Why did she say that?
Just teasing.
Just teasing? Oh, just teasing. Okay.
So when are you going to pick... Oh, our electricity just went off.
They probably turned that off to put the...
Oh. I hope they didn't do anything horrible. Baby, you better go check and see what's going on.
I think it's...
You think it's on purpose?
Mm-hmm.